Right, how about this? This is the Yes Clydebank launch. It's opening in a few minutes, and genuinely, we have a live parrot here. This is the only yes voting parrot in the Western Hemisphere. What's his name or her name?
This is Bobby.
Bobby, and definite yes voter?
Oh, definitely.
And does he have a message for Ed Miliband? This is a great event. This is literally the banks of the Clyde. That is the Titan crane. This is where the HMS Hood and the big Queen Mary's and all this was built. This is the Hatter Red Clydeside. This is the Yes shop. Look at that turnout. I'm not going to say anything. This is Danny, the main man, the organiser, and we've UCS shop stewards, and we've got real people, Labour for Independence. This is the dog's bollocks of Yes events. No harm to the Yestables or even the Margot Moguls. This beats it.
I know I'm on there. Near the end. It starts again then. And trying to get the Y in the right side, so at the right side.
I'll take them into their shop. They're opening today. Come down, it's on. Oh, God, I've opened it too early. It's in Kilbowie Road. It's beautiful. Look at the stock of stuff. I think they're even selling my CDs. There we go. Is that not quality? Recommended by the shop stewards. But there's so much more here. And listen, I've got my song, the Margot song singing. Play it. That's completely random, honestly. That's Margot giving her blessing. Margot and Jimmy Reid, unbeatable. No, I've gate crashed. I've even cut the ribbon. I'm sorry, I didn't realise I had a ribbon. Tell us a wee bit about what's happening here.
It's the opening of Clydebank Yes shop. Hold on, I'm getting some.
Okay, sorry.
Jimmy!
Oh, I'm getting the ribbon. This is the UCS opening. The UCS shop stewards opening the shop.
Sorry! Oh, the UCSers!
Legends. Betty.
Where's Betty?
I'm going to cut now.
You're signing up the right way, John. Sign up the right way.
You got there.
I'm Australian.
In the middle. Betty, that's good.
Right, cut.
That's it. Live in Clydebank.
Right, everyone in the back garden and Jimmy's going to make a 2-minute speech.
I'm stopping there and I'll get you the speech that you'll know. Beat that anywhere in Scotland, anywhere in the world. Beat that. Good day.